Hi everybody, it's Dr. Matt here at Premier Chiropractic Solutions. We've got Joe in here with us today, and he came in because he hurt his lower back doing deadlifts. So we're going to see if we can't get that straightened out for him. And he's also got some major issues up here on his shoulder. I've been working on that for a few minutes here on these trigger points. Right in there. That's pretty tender right there.
Yes, sir.
And one of his coaching buddies told him about the ring dinger. He said it was awesome, so we're gonna hook him up. So his left leg is pretty short. And he plays college baseball, so I think that's got something to do with it. Just the stances that they use, it evens out right there. Does that tighten up in the low back down here?
Yes, sir.
Alright. I'm just gonna slide you down just a little bit there. Alright. I'm gonna start on your hips and work my way up. Here. That's not too painful, is it? Right here. Yep. Oh, yeah. That was a good one. One more right here. Yep. Yep. Good. You alright?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Is this more sore on the right side too?
Yes, sir.
Right in there, huh? Right here. Oh yeah, it's got a little trigger point right there. You feel that? I'm actually going to use my little massager on there for a second here. Is that okay?
Yes.
Alright, yep, just relax. Good, right here. Yep. Yep. One more. There we go, good. Good, just relax. One more right here. Yep. Good. There we go. Yep. One more right here. Very good. Oh, man. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
A little sore?
Yes, sir.
Totally relaxed. Very good. This one. Yep. Good. Alright. Yep. Just relax. Get your knees right here. Just like that. Good. This side. Just relax. Alright. Lay on your side, face me this way. There you go. Bring this leg up. There you go. Yep. Relax. It's okay. Yep. How does this feel? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Just totally relax. Yep. Oh, yeah. Very good. Yeah. Other side. Yeah, that's one. Oh, yeah. That's okay. Yep. Just try to relax here. Yep. Oh. Wow. Okay, on your back. There we go. Totally relax here. Yep. There it was. This side. Yep. There you go. Alright, this time I'm gonna give you a little tug on your leg, okay? Yep. This side, yep. Very good. Okay. Good. Sure. Arms like that. Lift your head up for me. There you go. Alright, yep. Just relax. Lean back. One more here. There. Yep. Yeah. One more right here. Yep. Arms out like that. Stretch out a little bit. Check your ribs. That's good. This one here, I'm going to set your head back over your shoulders. Yep. Just relax. Sit up. There you go. Face that way. How are you feeling so far?
Better.
Alright, just relax. Whew. Yep. Alright. Just like it. Alright, ready for your ring tinker? Go on over here. So you're gonna sit here and lay on your back. There you go. Lay right back. I'll slide you up just a little bit. There we go. Just relax. This is the best part right here. Lift your head up, back down. There you go. There's like that. These pins lock your hips in place, and I'll give you a little tug, and it'll be like a bendy strap, like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yep. Is that okay, or is that too tight? Alright. Yep. Now just relax. Breathe through your nose. Yep. Totally relax. There you go. Yep. Did you feel that? Yeah. Did you feel it all the way down?
Yeah, I feel good.
Very good. Awesome. Alright. Yep. Okay. Still okay. Very good. Did you feel that pop in your lower back?
Yeah, I did.
Very good, very good. Okay. One more thing here. Stay like that. Face that way. Alright. Just relax. Lean back. Bring your elbows together. Yep. Oh, alright. Let me shoot you now. Oh, tapper gun. Stand like this. Yep. This will help you hold your adjustment. Alright. Alright, Joe. Is there anything you'd like to say about your experience here today?
It was great. I started to move a whole lot better.
How's that back feel? Pretty good?
Yeah, back and shoulder.
Oh yeah, the shoulder was almost as bad as the back, wasn't it?
Yes,
So that's been there for longer, so you're used to it.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh yeah, God bless. See you guys.